Some sounds in nature are known, others defy explanation. These recordings are real, but what made these sounds is still unknown. A snowy morning, silence, then the cries. Something is screaming from the trees. Animal, human, or something else. Locals say it's not the first time and not the last. It sounded like pain, like death itself crying out. To this day, no creature has been identified, just echoes and fear.
I don't know what that is. I don't know. Scary shit. What is that? What the f? Everyone else is hearing it too.
For over a century, people near Yellowstone Lake have reported strange, organ-like sounds rising from the water. Some describe it as a metallic hum, others like a soul trying to sing from beneath the waves. It gets louder, then it's suddenly gone. Scientists blame seismic shifts, but some believe it's the spirits of the drowned calling from the deep. September, 7:50 p.m. A quiet night in North Smithfield. Then, metallic shrieks echo through the woods, like steel being torn apart, but no wind, no machinery, no explanation. 2 videos were captured. No one has identified the source. The uploader never posted again. "2 a.m., late December. A voice calling from the dark woods. It sounded human, a woman, screaming a name. Karen, Darren, Jeremy. Was it an animal? A child? A prank? Some say it was a cry for help. Others, something imitating one. No bodies were found, no crimes reported. Just a scream and the cold. remote hunting camp in the mountains. No roads, no tourists, only a handful of men and something else watching them. Ron Moorhead and his crew heard sounds, guttural, intelligent, unearthly. They recorded the voices. Scientists analyzed the pitch. It wasn't human. The creatures responded to us. They mimicked us. And they were huge. Even today, the hunters return, and the forest still speaks back.
There's two of them across the creek at the big rocks.
Nature is full of sounds, but not all of them come from this world. Which of these voices do you think were never meant to be heard? This is Mirror of Mystics. Subscribe for more forgotten truths in